Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to www.buyy.pk. If we are talking about the top brand of tactical knife, that I think the Browning is the most powerful and top brand of tactical knives. So today I will show you few folding pockets tactical knife of Browning which are available on buy.pk. The Browning survival gauges are authentic and suitable for any environment and perfect for your hunting, fishing, camping and other outdoor activities because of their resilience and impact resistance. And especially if you are talking about their handle, which is specially designed and intended and the smallest detail, but also by its knife safe rope and safe and effective handling. Stainless steel blade remain clean, easy care and last a lifetime. In short, if we are talking about this Browning knife, it's not just a knife, it also can be emergency glass breaker, durable rope cutter and can opener. It's very practical for camping, hiking and hunting. So these pocket knife are all made of high quality steel and pretty handles with built or pocket clip. The folding blade and pretty wooden handle blade will be a practical gift for men or any age. This is the short review and feature of this knife. Thanks for watching. Don't forget about comments and subscribe our channel.